My name is Jason Payne. I'm the president of Payne Pest Management out of Southern California. We service a lot of military bases in Southern California, and we've been using Spectre for cockroach control. We switched to that a few months ago and had a lot of success with it. The transfer of the material from roaches has been working really well, and it's a non-repellent as well, so with a contact kill and a long residual, and we've been having great success, so we'll continue to use it.
My name is Danny Woodhouse. I'm the Chief Service Officer for Sage Pest Control. I've been in the industry for about 15 years now. CSI came out with Fuse. We were one of actually the first companies to jump on that product because of the broad label of Fuse, where you have Imidacloprid, where you have the systemic effect, and you also have the Fipronil. So the transfer effect that it has on ants is just amazing, and that has helped us solve a lot of ant issues that we couldn't get under control.
I am Jeff Hargrave with Cajun Bug Exterminating in Lafayette, Louisiana. Fuse is a wonderful product. I love it on the outdoors for the perimeter treatment. I get great results with all sorts of ants. Once you apply it, that transfer effect is really positive. So once the problem is under control, then you don't have those additional callbacks.
We switched to Taurus about 2 years ago for all of our subterranean termite work, and we haven't had any callbacks with it. We were getting a few callbacks with some of the other products we were using. We made the switch, and everything's been great so far.
You get very good results, especially with the crazy ants, but all ants in the yard, that Taurus Trio is a wonderful product.
They just came out with a new product that we're going to start using for mosquitoes. We're going to test that out this year. I think Proflex is going to be a good tool to use in our mosquito industry, just for the fact that lambda-cyhalothrin is a great active product. It's going to be microencapsulated, and then they went ahead and added an IGR on it. It's going to help with the mixing with technicians, so they don't have to think about mixing two products in one.
TechnoPro has been wonderful. I use it both indoors and outdoors. I mix it with other products as the IGR of choice. Get great results on both mosquitoes on the outdoors and also roaches and a few other insects on the indoors.
Whenever there's a question, technical question, or just, if I'm curious as to when something's going to be released in California, I know I could always call my CSI rep and he answers immediately or gets back to me with the answer to whatever question I have. It's very great to have a relationship like that.
I think CSI is a great company. I think they're quick to respond for concerns or questions. They've always been a good partner to have with us. One thing I love about them is they put a product out that's good, but it doesn't break the bank. Their staff is very knowledgeable. They make sure they hire people and know what they're doing. So yeah, I do like working with CSI.